Alright, so this is a quick video on how to download any file you have on Canva after you have finished designing. So for example, if you want to download this one now, like this one now is just a poster. All you have to do is come to share, then you come to download here, and then you pick whatever you want. You can use JPEG, you can use PNG, PDF, there are all kinds of formats here. So PNG is suggested because of the kind of design we have. So we don't want transparent background, we want the background to be white. So just click on download and it's going to download it like that. So if you want to actually share the link to the design itself, you just click on this copy here at the bottom here, click on this copy, and then you have that done. So I'm going to save that now. You can see on my screen I just clicked on save and it has saved, and you can easily get access to where the file was saved by clicking on this show in file explorer. When you click on it, it's going to go and open where you have the file. You can see, so this is the file that I just downloaded. This is the file I just downloaded. So if it is PDF you want to download, let me quickly show you how to download PDF. So like this is a presentation now, and we want to download it in PDF. It's actually a 6-page presentation. So what you have to do is just come to share again, and you can come to download here, and all you have to do, you can see PDF suggested. So you can see, you just click on download, and then it's going to download it in PDF. I already downloaded it before. I sent it to someone and in my team, and it's going to download. So after downloading the same thing, you can see now it's asking for the page. You just click on save, and it's going to download, and then you can click on the show in file explorer link again. That would also take you to where you have downloaded your document. So thank you so much. If you have any other questions, or you need me to make quick video to show you how to do things on Canva, let me know. Thank you, and God bless. Bye bye.